upon a time there
What book are you reading?
The Three Little Pigs.
Okay, go.
Once upon a time there were three little pigs.
Louder.
One day the three little pigs decided to leave home. Watch out for the big bad wolf, said their mother as she waved goodbye. The first little pig built a house full of straw. House of straw. The second little pig built a house of sticks. The third little pig built a house of bricks. A big bad wolf sneaked up to the house full of straw. Let me in, little pig, let me in. He growled. Not by the hairs on my chinny chin chin, said the first little pig. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I will blow your house in. Crib pieces.
What?
Crib.
No.
Cried the big bad wolf.
Did you miss a page?
No. Then the wolf snuck up to the house of sticks. Let me in, little pig, let me in, he growled. Not by the hairs on my chinny chin chin, said the second little pig. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in, cried the big bad wolf. So he huffed and he puffed and he blew. Blow.
It's an E.
Blew. Blow. Mommy.
What sound is... Don't whine. What sound is EW?
Eh.
You.
Blew. And he blew the house in. Then the wolf snuck up to the house of bricks. Let me in, little pig, let me in. And he growled. Not by the hairs on my chinny chin chin, said the third little pig. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow the house in, cried the little wolf. And
No, it's not a little wolf.
big bad wolf.
Right.
And He huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed, but he couldn't blow the house of bricks in. The wolf was very angry. He climbed onto the roof. I'm coming to get you, he shouted down the chimney to the little pigs. Then third little pig Goyle,
It's a Q.
Coley,
Quickly. There's a K in there.
quickly put a pot of boiling water.
Separate it. 2 words. What? There's no S.
And under underneath the chimney. Then
No.
the wolf fell down the chimney.
No, that's a direction.
Right.
No. What direction? If it's not left, it's
Right into the pot of boiling water. And the 3 little pigs laughed,
No.
lived happily ever after in their house of bricks. The end.
Good job.